sometimes people ask me like, what's the best way to learn this? And like, how would I even get into something like Grasshopper, which is a visual scripting platform, which we use on top of Rhino, which a lot of architects use. And I found applications for it in product design. Just start with a project. I mean, I told you about the project that I started with, which was a architectural concept I was working on at my internship. And I saw the ability for us to build this as a parametric model so that we could change things within the design, which was the louver opening angle, the height of the louvers, and the louvers to follow the building profile. So if it's really hard to learn something if you don't have anything to use it for. Yeah, it's like I can read all about Python or all about Grasshopper or do the whole tutorial series, but
let's just try it.
But you got to have an application for it. If you just want to learn it, then maybe you could find a video series with a practical example. But the important thing is to actually use it and then to find a use for it shortly after. Otherwise, it's all going to leave. It's all going to leave your head. So how do you learn something like Grasshopper? You find a use for it and you find a project quickly. You just do it. You just jump into the fire. And now we have tools like ChatGPT, that kind of thing.
Yep.
You just ask it, how would I do X, Y, and Z?
Right.
Just talk to it like you would talk to a friend or talk to a teacher, right? Right now, ChatGPT is teaching me how to code Python. So
there you go. There you go.
Long conversations, late nights with ChatGPT about finance.
No, that's good. No, I absolutely agree with you. I mean, I kind of learned this quickly on. I mean, even in math class in high school, if you didn't find an application, you can learn a formula, like a teacher can teach it to you 100 times over and over again, and you're not going to get it until you do like 10 problems with it on your own. So you find what could go wrong when you're using that formula. It's as simple as that, and you can apply that to almost everything in life.
Yeah.
So no, that's
just go do it.
Do it.
It's just have a vision for what you want to do and just try it.
Yeah, I think in our day and age, the biggest thing now, because the amount of information that's available is insane, right? The biggest thing is just having consistency and ambition, and that's all you mostly need to get anywhere, really, to learn anything.
Yeah.
In today's
okay, now that I have a platform, I have a beef to pick, and I have somewhere to say it. So this is great. Okay, I hate the framing of posts and of content online that says avoid this mistake.
Okay.
Don't do this.
Okay. No, do the mistake.
Yeah, I'm just do it. What's gonna happen? Your computer is not going to explode.
No.
Go and do it. Like, come on now. Like, just don't be afraid to try things.
Right.
Just go script it and make all the mistakes. Mm-hmm. And then the next time you do it, you're gonna make fewer mistakes.
Yeah.
It's like people are so afraid of failure. So they're so afraid of doing it wrong. It's like you're gonna do it wrong.
Yeah.
It's fine. Especially in software, nothing happens if you do it wrong. Unless you know you're hooking it up to something important. Don't go delete your whole like computer directory. But
whoops.
Dude, I've been toying around with scripts basically that nukes folders.
Oh.
And it's like the operation is called like RM tree or something. I get so nervous every time I run it because I'm like, did I give it the right path? Is there any way this path could be wrong? So I guess the mistake I'm trying to avoid is not to delete my entire computer C drive, but or a client's computer files. but
it's a good way to get fired.
But okay. Before that. Before you go implement something, you just have to try things.
That's right.
Yeah, it's the consequences are 99% of the time not that high.
Yeah, no, I agree. It's hard to learn something without trying, without fucking it up, without making mistakes, without you get to mess it up. It's as simple as that.
Yeah.